Hi, welcome to this module using collaboration software, cloud storage and online apps. In this module, we will be looking at signing up for Microsoft Office 365 trial. Also, we'll be looking at sharing documents in the OneDrive. In this module, we'll be working with our personal computer, and the devices in this practice lab portal are protected by firewalls that prevent it from going to certain websites. Therefore, we will stick to our personal computer to complete this exercise. Exercise 1. Sign up for Microsoft Office 365 trial. In this exercise, we will sign up for Microsoft Office 365 trial. The Microsoft Office is a suite of cloud-based services that is designed to meet requirements for robust security, 24/7 availability, and enhance user productivity. The Office 365 offers different subscription plans designed for different groups, organizations, or home users. The Office 365 usually comes in with fully installed desktop version of Microsoft Office that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher, and you can access this on your Windows computer or your Mac computer. It also comes with 1 TB cloud storage of OneDrive. Email users who either have Hotmail or Outlook accounts have free access to scale down to different versions of Microsoft Office called Office Online. The online version includes web-based versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive. You can access it just by signing up to Microsoft Outlook. In our task 1, we will review various options for the Office 365 trial. We will need an Outlook.com or Hotmail.com account to do this procedure. It is up to you to sign up for a trial version, as this calls for presenting your credit card or debit card information with Microsoft. But please note that your credit card will be charged after 1 month trial version of Office 365 expires. And this is for payment for any of these services that you have chosen, like the Office 365 Home, Office 365 Personal, or Office 365 Business. But to avoid card charges, we are going to use the free online Office feature. And please note, we are not selling Microsoft products. This is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, in this exercise, we're going to be looking at the various options for Office 365. You can get to this page by typing in this address. Next, we're going to be clicking home to see what's available for Office 365. Now, these are the different options available for the Office 365 for home use, and we'll just take a look at for business. So these are the options available for business. We are going to go back to homes, so we're just going to see try for 1 month free. Click on try for 1 month free. I'm just going to ask us to sign in. Now you can sign in with your Outlook or Hotmail address. I'm going to be signing with my practice lab address. I'm going to click on next. Now enter my password. Click on sign in. Now it's going to require us to enter our payment details. But for us to avoid entering our payment details, we are going to be using the free Office Online feature instead of entering our payment details. Okay, so now we'll be using Office Online. You can get to the Office Online by typing this address on your address bar. So now these are the Office Online apps that are available: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. So note, you don't need any installation. You'll be using it online and it's for free. So in this task, I showed you the various options that are available for Microsoft Office 365, and we are going to be using the Office Online in our task 2. This is the end of task 1. Task 2: create and edit document in Word Online. The Office Online is a free cloud-based version of Microsoft Office, and this application can be very useful for creating Office documents for mobile workers, distributed teams, collaborative projects, or small organization. In this task, we are going to create a document on the Word Online. We're going to do that by going back to the Word Online page. Okay, to create a document in the Word Online, we're going to click on Word. Okay, now the Word document has opened. So what is new? We're just okay, we got it. If you have used the word online in the past, you will see the list of your recent documents on the left pane. You can select the documents to work on, but now we're going to create a new document. We're going to click on new blank document. To edit a document, we're going to type something here. I must note that this document is automatically saved as document to OneDrive. So for us to edit this document, we're just going to say this is a test document in Word Online. In the next task, we are going to see how we can save this document as save as. We're going to put a name. Task 3, save a document in Word Online. The Word Online saves the document automatically, as I've mentioned previously, to OneDrive. Therefore, you do not need to perform any separate activity to save a document. In this task, we will verify that our document is saved automatically to OneDrive. Now we'll go back to our page. Okay, now we're in our page. We're going to click on File. Now you notice there's no save here. You see that the document is showing as recent document. This is the document that we're working on down here. Now we don't need to save anything because it automatically saves it to OneDrive. For us to access the file, we just click on the document. It's going to open up from OneDrive in another browser. Now the document has opened, so we don't need to do any manual saving. It automatically saves it for you. And this marks the end of this task 3. I will see you in task 4, where we are going to rename the document in Word Online. Thank you for viewing. Task 4, rename document in Word Online. We can rename a document in the Word Online just like our normal regular Word document in our desktop. In this task, we are going to rename our document. We are going to change the file name to memorandum. Now let us go back to our page and do that task. Okay, we're going to rename the file. We're going to click on File, click on Save As. We're going to click on Rename. Now we're going to type the name of the file here. We're going to type memorandum. We're going to click on OK. Now you've noticed that the title bar has changed to memorandum, so I successfully changed the name of this file, which automatically saves to OneDrive. We have come to the end of this task 4. In task 5, we're going to verify if our document is on the OneDrive. Task 5, verify saved files in OneDrive. The Word Online saves files automatically to OneDrive. So now we are going to access the OneDrive to process files that are saved in it. In this task, we are going to verify that our memorandum is saved in OneDrive. Now we're going to go back to our page. Okay, now we're back in our page. We're going to click the list of Microsoft apps. Click on this. Now we go to OneDrive. We click on it. It's going to take us to another page. Now we're in OneDrive. We're going to click on Documents. Now we have the file that we saved, a memorandum. I'm going to click on it to open it. It's going to open on another page. So this is the file that we saved. We have verified that our file is in the OneDrive. This marks the end of this task. I will see you in the next task. Thank you for viewing. Task 6, edit files retrieved from OneDrive. Files created using Word Online are saved to OneDrive. These files, when retrieved, are in the read-only mode. To edit these files, we use the Edit Document option. In this task, we will retrieve and enable the editing on memorandum documents that we saved on the OneDrive. Now we're going to go back to our page. Now we're back on our page. This is the memorandum document. This is the link to this document. Now you see we don't have any of the menu for editing this file. We're going to click on Edit. Now to use the functionality in Microsoft Word or edit in the browser. So we're just going to click on Edit in the browser. So it's opening Word Online. Now it has opened. You see all the functions for editing the file is back here. Now we can edit the file again and save. So we'll just put something like this one. Remember, it automatically saves. So this is how we can save, edit a file that is retrieved from OneDrive. We have come to this end of this task. I will see you in the next task. Welcome to this section, exercise 2, sharing documents in OneDrive. You can use the OneDrive to share your folders and files to people that you work with or friends. This gives you convenience of sharing large files with people, colleagues, friends, family, without sending them as an attachment through email. In this exercise, we will share a file. Okay, now we'll go back to our OneDrive. Okay, we're back to our OneDrive. We're going to share this memorandum document we created. Click on this button. I'm going to click on share. Now you can allow the person you're sharing this document with to edit. You can also set an expiry date for them, which the link is going to expire. You can set a password, or you can just copy this link and send to them via email, or you can send directly to them by putting their email address here and probably put a message while you're sending them the file and click on share. So that is how we share a file in OneDrive. We have come to the end of this exercise and task. I want to thank you for viewing.